Hey there, YouTube viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Android customization with a spotlight on Lean Launcher. If you're looking to give your smartphone a fresh, minimalistic look, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. Lean Launcher is a lightweight and streamlined launcher for Android devices. It's all about simplicity and speed, offering a clutter-free home screen and a smooth user experience. With Lean Launcher, you can personalize your device without the bloat. Now, let's talk about some key features that make Lean Launcher stand out. 1. Customization. You can tweak the app grid, icon sizes, and fonts to match your style. 2. App Drawer. The app drawer is organized and intuitive, making it easy to find and access your apps. 3. Gesture support. Swipe gestures let you quickly access your favorite apps or perform actions. 4. Themes. Lean Launcher supports icon packs, allowing you to completely change the visual style of your device. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Lean Launcher. 1. Download Lean Launcher from the Play Store and install it. 2. Go to Settings, then find Apps, Default Apps, Home App, choose Lean Launcher. Three. Open the Lean Launcher app. 4. Head to the settings to customize the grid layout, icon size, and other preferences. 5. Explore the gesture settings and set up your preferred shortcuts. 6. Don't forget to check out the theme options to give your home screen a unique look. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to Lean Launcher. Whether you're a customization enthusiast or simply want a cleaner look for your device, Lean Launcher has you covered. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how you're enjoying the experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.